October 16th, 2013. You're looking at a set of replacement heifers, black and black baldies, a few black motts, black whiteface, Angus and Angus cross. Got some Brangus cross, Brangus influence in these cattle. It's a small set of replacement heifers, 45 head available at Rosemont Cattle and Cutting Horses. We just took a BVD PI test, ear notch, and treated for external parasites and took weights. These cattle came from the Norfleet Cattle Company in Newberry, Florida. It was a pot load of 5-weight heifers. Base weight was 515 on a truckload lot of 96 head. We purchased these through the Superior Cattle Company, Superior Auction Company, on video June 10th of this year. We used them for approximately 3 months in the cutting pen, training our horses. Since then, they've been on a limited grow ration, which is a soy hull pellet, corn gluten pellet, mixed 50-50 with ground peanut hulls. They've had a free choice 22% salt lick, which consists of 2/3 dried distiller's grains, 1/3 salt, vitamin A, D, and E, with iodine and selenium mixed in. They usually consume about 6 ounces a day of that lick. They've been on our native pasture here in west central Georgia. Kentucky tall fescue mixed with common Bermuda and Ladino clover. These cattle have yet to have their annual VAC. However, they were from a VAC 24 program. So they were backgrounded professionally at Norfleet, which is just outside of Gainesville, Florida. Cattle have done pretty well up here in west central Georgia. We haven't really pushed the cattle. Most are cycling, ready for exposure to young bulls. Our electronic scales gave us an average of 803 pounds for the 45 head. We are scheduled to perform their annual vaccinations next week, which will be Cattle Master Gold 5L5, Ultrabac Somnus, Ultrabac 7 with Somnus. We should have our BVD PI ear notch test back early next week. Good set of commercial heifers. $1,200 a head, buys the lot. David at rosemontcutting.com, or you can reach me on my cell, 770-328-0447. Thank you.